Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable WhatsApp voice message transcription using your Android device. So let's just dive right in and get started. You can directly open up your WhatsApp and go to your WhatsApp settings. For that, from this chat piece right here, look out for the three dot in the top right and select the option of settings from there and access your settings right there. Now within your settings, what we need to do is we need to go to the chats from the settings menu. And once you go to the chats menu, you can scroll down and look out for the option for voice message transcripts. So find the transcription settings there and tap on it. And you just need to go over and set it up. So you can basically turn this option on. You can select this option of manually to transcribe when you want a transcript. You can just go over and do so. And you can set up a language. For that, tap on this option called transcript language. And then you may select a language of your voice. We have 4 options available right now. So if it is English, you can select that first option and set it up and wait for Wi-Fi to download all the necessary language pack. And once you do so, you can head over to any of the chat available. And within that chat, you can just go over and tap and hold the message you want to transcribe. You can basically find the message. Let me just show you. And once you find the voice message, you can hold it up and directly look out for the three dot in the top and select the option of transcribe from the given menu and wait for the transcription to be completed. And you should be able to find the transcript if it is available. And that's it. Usually to enable, you can just go over and go through your settings for that and follow up this method and you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.